you have been thinking about getting yourself a Cricut machine, but find that the machines are not exactly what you're looking for, or maybe even perhaps a little bit out of your price range, you want to stick around because Cricut just released a brand new machine, and I think you're going to love it. Hey there, my name is Yami. I am your Latina next door. Welcome back to mi casa. Now, for the past several years, you have seen me create some customized home decor, DIY, and seasonal pieces for my home using my Cricut. Now, creating these custom pieces and really trying to think about unique ways to use my Cricut in order to decorate and beautify my home has given me so much joy. However, you guys know my living situation right now, and I don't have a huge craft room. I don't have all of my things that I wish I had on hand. So when Cricut reached out and shared this new product, which is the Joy Extra, with so many capabilities, yet not even close to the size of my Cricut maker, and a much more affordable option. And for people who find themselves to be the occasional crafter, and it doesn't really require as many bells and whistles as somebody like me who loves to create on it time after time. So you can imagine how excited I was to test this machine out and really see how portable it was and how easy it is to manage in my new environment. So in today's video, I am sharing all about it and giving you my honest opinion about what this little machine can do. So first off, I love how lightweight it is and compact. It only needs one cable in order to function, and this is perfect for whenever I want to create projects on my large table underneath my gazebo. I connect it to my computer via Bluetooth, and it is so easy. Now with this machine, you can cut over 50 different types of materials, and you only need the one blade. You can create projects up to 8.5 by 11 inches, and for those international friends, this means you can use up to size A4. And using your smart materials, you can create projects up to 4 feet in length. Now, if you are new to Cricut or find that some of these projects look a little bit intimidating, don't worry about it. Cricut Design Space has a ton of templates already pre-made, ready to go in any type of project that you wish to create, and it's so simple to use. Cricut provides a mat that easily slides in order to keep everything aligned, or you can use the smart vinyl and you don't even need a mat. And just like for all the other machines, Cricut Design Space prompts you every single time you need to take the next step, whether it's to load the machine, add a mirror effect for any types of projects that you have, or even unload it as well. And again, no matter how many projects you do on this, you're only going to need this one blade, and that is something that I really love about this machine. Now, one of the things that I'm really excited about is the print then cut feature. Now, this is really exciting because I have never really used the printable waterproof stickers or the printable vinyls, and this new vinyl is new and improved, and it won't get stuck in your printer, so yay for that. Now, this pumpkin that you see right here that I created is actually on a gold vinyl. I printed that, weeded it, and it looks amazing. And these right here I made for my kids' bottles for school, and yes, they are waterproof. I have washed them several times and they still look just as good as new. Now I'm excited for this new sticker paper because this will open up so many possibilities for my labels for when I start creating my candles once again. Now, one of the advantages of using this machine is that you never have to worry about your smart materials cutting inaccurately with the Joy Extra's alignment guides. All you have to do is load and go. And once you do that, Design Space will actually tell you that it is aligning to make sure everything is nice and straight. And this was actually really great for me because since I am not in my usual crafting environment, These extra features that come with this machine really does give you a peace of mind so that you can continue crafting with little worry. But don't think for a second that you can't create large projects. Like, remember when I created these beautiful curtains with these smart iron-ons? Well, guess what? Cricut Joy Xtra has smart iron-on vinyl that you can use for projects just like this. Another amazing feature about the Cricut Joy Xtra is that you can use the Cricut Joy markers already out on this machine. Simply remove the blade and insert your marker, snap it back in, and it's as easy as that. Of course, putting your blade back in is just as easy as removing the marker and putting it back in place. Another thing that I used for the very first time was this little card template. This piece of machinery is perfect for creating personalized cards. You simply put your card through the sleeve, and it has different guides depending on the size of card that you're using. And it's actually really simple to follow. Once you have your card in place, you just put it in, and after you've selected your design, you let it cut and you just weed it out. And in this one, I'm using an insert card where you put another different color on the inside in order to give it a really nice contrasted look. Now, of course, let's not forget that classic vinyl, but this time, of course, it's smart vinyl, and it allows you to make beautiful, customized home decor pieces. And I tried it out, and it works perfectly fine with this machine. It cuts it very well, and it's easy to create custom seasonal designs for your home with this, like as you see I'm doing right here. So far with everything that I have tried out, my conclusion is I absolutely love this little machine. It does everything you need it to if you are looking to start with the Cricut. I love the size. It's small enough to use on a kitchen table, coffee table, countertop, office desk. You can put it away in a cabinet and don't have to worry about it being out and too big to store. So that is awesome. And the white color allows you to put it in any area of your home without it clashing with your current style. It has a no fuss setup. You don't need a lot of supplies to get started. You only have that one blade that you need, and honestly, there are so many possibilities with all of the new consumables and features that have come out with this Cricut Joy Xtra, like those amazing stickers. Plus, you can't beat that it's a lower price point. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the Cricut Joy Xtra, please make sure to put them below. And if you want to check this machine out, I have the link in my description box as well as in the comments so that you can find it easily. I hope you appreciate this review and the idea that there is another Cricut machine out there that might be more suitable for your needs. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, adios!